Welcome to another episode of Bird and Dog! Okay, I'm gonna go get my lay down chair again.
It's right here.
Hey! I got this lay down chair. Come on! People don't listen to this.
Five, 4, 1, 5.
Okay, we'll start the episode in
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0! I found it! Did I say lay down chair? I meant pillow pet.
It's time for part 2 of the small invasion. This episode is called
The Dalek Chase. With a grandma. Well, I better go put up the lay down chair. Now the real episode will start in
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0! Yay! Yay! I'm going to my house.
Me too. This is my car.
Okay, Dalek.
Where's your car?
This is my car. Because I'm a robot car. Oh, cool.
Okay, let's just go.
Whoa. That's my house.
Let's just focus on what we're supposed to do.
You want to come see my house? Yay!
Yes, I do.
Okay, let's turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Down.
Can I turn on your lamp?
My house. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Aw, my house. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Ooh, what are these rocks called?
Shake. My house. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
What are these rocks
Aw,
called?
my house.
What are these rocks called?
Pebbles. These are the rocks he's talking about, guys. This.
Dalek. I come from
We get it!
I come from space.
We get it.